In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix the error that appears when you try installing an app and it says your device isn't compatible with this version of Android. If this tutorial ends up helping you, please give it a like and consider subscribing. It really supports the channel. So to fix this compatibility error, the first thing you should do is open the Settings app on your Android device. You can swipe up from the bottom, scroll through your apps and tap Settings. Once you're inside, scroll all the way down and select System. Under System, go ahead and tap Software Update. If you see additional options like I do, choose System Update. Let your phone check for updates, and if an update is available, install it. Sometimes simply updating your device fixes the compatibility issue. If the error still shows up, go back into Settings and near the top choose Apps. From here, tap All Apps and then scroll until you find the Google Play Store. After opening it, tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Uninstall Updates. Confirm by selecting OK. This resets the Play Store to its factory version, which will reinstall itself. Then see if your problem is solved. If you're still having trouble, return to Settings, open Apps again, and switch back to All Apps. Now tap the three dots in the top right and choose Show System. Scroll until you find Google Play Services. It should appear above the Play Store. Just like before, open it, hit the three dots, and select Uninstall Updates, then Confirm. After that, try installing the app again, and you should no longer see the device isn't compatible message. If this guide helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.